Trips from Detroit to Alaska during the 1920s and 30s. Now folks, if you look off to the right-hand side. Beautiful.
Did you get it?
Barely. I can't hear when you're out there. I can't hear what they're saying. Out there, the best pictures. Up there on the edge, outside. Standing.
Yeah.
Something off of it. Up there in about 2 miles from here. From here, you can see a wooden trestle bridge that was originally built back in 1898. Michael James Heaney, who was the foreman and engineer of this railroad, called this portion the weakest link. is another track. There's only a couple places on our rail line where there is another track where we can pass each other. As you can imagine, we don't like playing chicken with other trains. So as they pass us by, feel free to give them a big wave to let them know that we're having a lot more fun than they are. Not in Skagway at all. So you had a choice. You could either go back home, or you could choose between two different trails to get over these mountain passes. There was the Chilkoot Trail and the White Pass Trail. The Chilkoot Trail led from Skagway's sister city of Dyea. It was actually the more popular route because it was a more direct route. It was about 33 miles long and very high and steep in elevation. There was also the White Pass Trail, which we travel about parallel to. The White Pass Trail was not as a direct route, it was much lower in elevation, but it was 7 miles longer than the Chilkoot. Both of these trails met up at the very same place of Dawson City, Lake Bennett, which is mile marker 40 on your rail map. Now, the White Pass Trail was advertised as the better trail for pack animals, so it was definitely debated on which trail was the better one to follow. Eventually, Tappan Abney, a San Francisco Chronicle reporter, he hiked both the Chilkoot and the White Pass Trail, so he could be the man to put the debate to rest. And in August of 1897, he wrote, and I quote, "There ain't no choice. One way is hell and the other is damnation. And either way you went, you always wish that you had gone the other way."